Yeah, review the.
See, in the relief for relief, it's mentioned as relief. Pressure relief valve.
Yeah. If it is a pressure relief valve, the outlet should be going to the drain point or reverse to the tank.
Probably to the tank.
No, directly you have to take recommendation, or I will say review, then provide. I say review, then provide. No.
So the liquid should not be drained anywhere. It should be either drained into the tank or somewhere in the safe area.
So that is why I'm saying that there are two provision. Either you make a strong recommendation here, or we say review and then provide. To which recommendation? Review and provide, or do it directly? I think this is not right, because we do not know what is the intention of this one.
No, it is intention is clear. Tank में तो pressure release होगा.
Okay.
Because you are putting this chemical into the tank. So there is not going to.
Okay, so I'm saying that review. Okay, so Imran, I said review the design intent of the PRV and provide the connection to the tank.
No.
Yeah.
Back to the.
Okay, after the external. Huh?
Just see the line.
Where is the connection?
Here is the connection. Because nobody.
What is that? So from here,